We're here in Collegetown Plaza to take a look at apartment 5F, which is a 6-bedroom, 1.5 bath apartment on the 5th floor of this 9-floor building here at 111 Dryden Road in Collegetown. Let's go on in and take a look at the apartment. You can see a bedroom there straight ahead from us. We'll see that as we go through the bedrooms, but let's see the common spaces first. We'll pass by the half bathroom, which is our first door right here. A half bathroom is a toilet and sink, and then our next room will be the living space, and we've got the full bathroom right here, so you can see the toilet and the sink, and this one has the full-size tub shower. Okay, let's go take a look at the living space. You can see we've got an open area here. We have dining table and chairs, and over here we've got some seating options. There's the sofa and a couple tables and chair. The air conditioner is here under the living room window, so that's a living room unit. And over here we have a TV that comes in the apartment. Take a look at this cute kitchen. We like these kitchens in this F-style apartment. It's got this little nook over here, and this one is a renovated kitchen, so it does have the newer appliances and cabinets. You can see the refrigerator, microwave, sink, dishwasher, stove, and oven, some cabinets. There's the countertops. A nice feature of this apartment in the F-style, and we have this apartment on floors 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I'm sorry, not 4. We have this apartment on floors 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's go out and take a look at the balcony. This is a unique feature in this F line. We are on the south side of the building here, and you can see beautiful valley views. That's Ithaca College over in the distance, and south, and that's to the west over here. So let's go back on in. You can use the balcony however you like here. You can't put our furniture out there. The furniture that comes provided in the apartment should stay inside the apartment. Okay, let's take a look at the bedrooms. We're gonna go around. The first 5 bedrooms are here off to the side past the living room, and the 6th bedroom, as we saw, was right by the entrance. So let's go through the rooms. This is room 1. We're at a corner unit here, so the rooms will face different directions. Room 1 has the same layout, or is facing the same direction as the balcony, which is to our south, so you get good afternoon sun here. All of the bedrooms will have that furniture. Will be the desk and chair, a bookshelf, a dresser. They will all have a closet. We'll go in a closet in another room. The closets are all the same. All the bedroom doors will have their own lock. They will all have an overhead light, and they are all carpeted. Room 2 is a unique layout. This is the brightest room. It's got 2 huge windows. Take a look at that. That is gorgeous. So you have the east view, good morning sun, and you have that south view. This is one of the smaller rooms because it does kind of wrap around here, as you can see. So keep that in mind. You're gonna have the brightest room here, but the smallest, one of the smaller footprints. Everything still fits. It's all still in here. Oh, we can look at the closet while we're in this one. Okay. So here's a closet. The closets are all about the same size here. They all have a door and a hanging shelf. Let's go around to the next one. Room 3. This will also have 2 windows, but the second window is a smaller one, but still 2 windows. A large east-facing window and a smaller south-facing window. You can see over here. You can see how we've wrapped around the corner of the building. This is a look at room 3. The closet is right behind the entrance door, right over here. This is a nice cluster style for this set of 5 bedrooms. They're all clustered over on the side. We're going into room 4. This one also has 2 windows, and we'll go on in. You can see the window to the east and then 1 window to the north. Now, I said we're on floor 5 here in the building, and we are, but Collegetown is very hilly. And you can see right here that we've only come up about a floor from the ground level, and you can see over on our right, it drops down significantly. Collegetown is a very hilly neighborhood. So the entrance or lobby level of Collegetown Plaza is on the 4th floor, and you come up 1 floor to this apartment. So the 5th floor apartment is really only 1 floor above the lobby. There's the closet for this room. Okay, let's go to see room 5. That's the other smaller room in the apartment. And this one has just a window to the north or street side. And this one does have a bit of an angled wall right here. So this is, I think, a good way to keep the furniture in this one. I think you've got a great sort of nook for studying with your bookshelf over here and the desk right there. And the dresser fits very well along that entrance, and the closet is over behind the entrance door to the room. We're going back into the main part of the apartment and we'll finish up with room 6. So let's go start passing by the dining set, and let's go into room 6. This is the final room for the apartment. Room 6 is probably a little bigger than the other rooms, so that just means you get a little more floor space. And this one does face to the east, so again, good morning sun for an east-facing room. And again, you can see that we're on the 5th floor of the building, but we're only about 1 floor up from the parking lot level on this side. So here's a look at some of the furnishings in here. Room 6. So this is Collegetown Plaza, apartment 5F. We have this apartment on floors 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And we're at 111 Dryden Road, and we're just 1 block from campus.